Then Lily girl, I make you look for me like how you sit up so.
No sir, me not seen a duppy.
You can go and walk. I mean, no way you're afraid of.
Shepherd, what happened now? Is what?
Hold on there. I'm tired, you're tired of me already? Eh? Is what the problem? Me not welcome here no more?
Shepherd, is not that. You're more than welcome here. But when me see you so often, me get nervous.
Your timing couldn't be any better. But the food are run out.
Already, Shepherd?
Hello? It's not me alone and you meeting no? Plus, Mildred sell a market.
So, sir, why are you really here? Is more food that you come for?
In June time. My real reason to be here, Bubbles, is to congratulate you guys on a job well done. I must tell you that me proud. And it look like you work with the period them well. The period them look like them like you know. And like some of them where when you send them out, them disobey the period. And the period have to pop some of them hand and pop some of them foot. But the good thing is that lives were saved. We are lose too much of our young lives then. Remember say if you have a handful of rice you know, and you fling it up, you go catch some and some are go cater. Save some, lose some. That is life. But our job, well done, Bubbles.
Thank you very much, sir. Thank you. Even though sometimes when you come around, me get afraid. I guess it's a part of it. You know, into becoming and keep on being the strong person. But sir, I don't want you to stop coming around. I want you to continue guide us or guide me to guide the younger ones along the way.
That was no problem in your Bubbles. I have no problem hanging around and to guide you so you can guide the young ones. As long as food there.
Sir, you don't have to worry about that part. I'll make sure that your basket is always prepared.
You know, all this whole heap of food talk just make me belly around. You not got no big around there. Mildred have left out early this morning. In cantankerous when he wake up early, say. In the have to run out, so he never prepare nothing. You know, nothing around there.
Sir, no food not really around there now, you know. But I can offer you a cup of tea.
Alright. You can give me tea. And 2 slices of bread.
Would you like some peanut butter on the bread, sir?
And some of the jam on the top shelf of the fridge. I feel good about them people here. Good people to work with. I can see that they'll be doing great job, great work in the future. Sanzipuel! Want that boy? Want him? Get up from this one. Over this up.